Is that clear?
Is that clear enough for you?
Is that clear? Yes, Drill Sergeant!
Bid you to leave this house. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
No.
It's not clear?
No, it's clear. We're saying no.
Is that clear, Commander?
Clear, sir.
Good.
What's going on? I want to see those plates empty in less than a minute. Is that clear?
We don't take care of this. We don't make it to the men's room. Is that clear enough for you?
And the strict understanding that such talk never occurs again under this roof. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I don't ever want to see you again. Is that clear?
Hey, what's going
Carter,
on here?
you're in enough trouble. Just shut up.
Either obey them or you are history. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You keep telling yourself that because I don't want to hear another word about it. Is that clear?
Yes, love.
Put on your school gear and be back down by 8 sharp. Is that clear? All right, now move.
My name's Paul Allen. You got that? You're Christie. You're to respond only to Christie. Is that clear?
You're to climb into them. You understand?
Thank you.
Then you do your sleeping on the couch. See, not on the bed, not on the chair, on the couch. Is that clear?